India gets new Chief Justice. Justice B.R. Gavai takes oath as 52nd CJI. Gavai creates history. Becomes first Buddhist and only second Dalit Chief Justice. But who is B.R. Gavai? Know his education, journey and landmark judgments. On 14th May, Justice Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai made history as he took the oath of office as the 52nd Chief Justice of India, starting a new era of leadership in the country's highest judicial body. Justice Gavai is the first Buddhist to hold this post and only the second judge from the scheduled castes to lead the Indian judiciary. His tenure will last until 23 November 2025 following the retirement of Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna. But who is B.R. Gavai, the next Chief Justice of India? Born on 24 November 1960 in Maharashtra's Amravati, Justice Gavai began his legal career in 1985. He initially worked with the late Raja Bhonsle, former Advocate General and High Court Judge, before starting independent practice at the Bombay High Court in 1987. From 1987 to 1990, Justice Gavai practiced independently at the Bombay High Court, before shifting to the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. His expertise primarily lay in constitutional law and administrative law, and he quickly gained recognition for his diligence and skill. Gavai also served as standing counsel for the municipal corporations of Nagpur and Amravati, as well as for various autonomous bodies in the Vidarbha region. In 1992, he was appointed Assistant Government Pleader and Additional Public Prosecutor for the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. His remarkable work ethic earned him the post of Government Pleader and Public Prosecutor for the Nagpur bench in 2000. Justice Gavai was appointed as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court on 14 November 2003 and became a permanent judge in 2005. He served at the High Court's principal seat in Mumbai and benches in Nagpur, Aurangabad, and Panji. He was elevated to the Supreme Court on 24 May 2019. As a judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Gavai has been a part of several landmark rulings. He was part of the SC majority verdict of January 2023, which upheld the centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. Justice Gavai has been a part of several constitution benches in the Apex Court which delivered path-breaking verdicts. He was part of a 5-judge constitution bench which in December 2023 unanimously upheld the centre's decision to abrogate provisions of Article 370 bestowing special status to the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir.